Hi everybody, it's Dave Larsen with West USA Realty. I'm out here in Maricopa at a new listing I got, and I just wanted to share this one with you guys because the price point is so hard to find anymore. This is a new home built in 2007, so not new but almost new, and it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-family home, great condition, and yet priced at only $160,000. So if you know of somebody looking for a great home to start with, or you yourself are looking for a great home to start with, this could be it. So here is the entry into the great room, and please notice we got 10-foot flat ceilings throughout with two-tone paint, and then this really nice diagonally laid tile throughout the hallways and all the living areas, and then a little nice inlay work there. And then back this way, another view of our great room and kitchen. And the kitchen is kind of cool. It's got the breakfast bar all tiled, and then stainless appliances, including a smooth top range and a dishwasher that has hardly been used. I asked the owner and he hardly uses it. It's just him. And then over here we've got a nice double door stainless fridge that will stay, and a pantry, which is hard to find in the smaller homes like this. Let's go take a peek at the master. It's a nice size split master bedroom. Great privacy back here. Oh, I should mention too, there's ceiling fans throughout the house. So here in the master, all carpeted floor, nice size room, and then a full bath right there with a linen closet and a full wall of clothes closets. And then another thing about the house that's nice is all the blinds are up, 2-inch blinds throughout the house. All right, and then we've got 2 more bedrooms and another full bath over here on the other side of the house. There's our second bath. And it has been just the owner and his sister living here just a little bit, so it's like a hardly lived-in house. It's in really great shape. And then our second bedroom here. And then I should also point out we've got an indoor laundry room, and the washer dryer will stay with the home. So that's very nice and convenient. And then lastly, let's take a peek at the yard. Very nice sized backyard with no 2-story homes around it. It's all single level homes around you. So very, very good privacy. It's done in desert landscaping right now, but there is a little circle here that would be great for turf or for grass, and really just whatever your ideas are with it. So that's everything I've got for you today. If you'd like to see this home, please let me know. You can reach me easiest on my cell at 602-430-5755. Thanks again. This is Dave Larsen. Talk to you later.